Definitely a great turn on for CN lead engines, that's for sure. Anyways, we are back at the Yorkdome line crossing in Zephyr, and we have a CN train coming. This is the only train I'm going to be seeing because after this, I will be going home. So thankfully I have luck. Looks like this engine is a older engine than usual, but I'm not sure. We will have to find out anyways. I think this is an intermodal train, but I'm not sure. Anyways, we will hear from her right now. There it goes. Holy man, that was a really fast intermodal train, that's for sure, and really windy as well. I'm really sorry about the wind noises, but the train was really going so fast that it was making so many wind noises. And in fact, it's even shaking the crossing gate as well. And there she goes around the bend. So yeah, definitely a really great turn on the lead engine, that's for sure. definitely a much quieter one as well, not like we're also seeing locomotives. This is probably the most quietest horn I ever heard on a CN locomotive. Let me know if in the comments below if you agree, or he wasn't, or maybe the engineer wasn't pulling the lever hard enough. So yeah, definitely a really nice horn on the lead engine, and a really fast train on it with the intermodal train. So yeah, I was attempted to see a train at Light Road in Zephyr, but nothing came. So I moved down to here, and turns out I caught in this train here. There was a green signal at Zephyr, but it was staying green for a long time, like over an hour. So I was thinking there wasn't any train, so I came here to check one last time, and good thing I did, because I caught in this one. So yeah, a really quiet crossing as well. There's basically no traffic and no cars waiting on the other side as well. Now, there wasn't any cars waiting on the other side with a side without a bell, and there's a lot of cars waiting with a side with an E-bell on it. So yeah, if you're interested to see this crossing in action in person one day, come to this Durham line crossing. It is a really nice spot to film anyways if you want the really fast freight trains, like that one. So yeah, I think this is going to be the only train I'm going to see today, because I have not, because there was only one green signal, like that one. And then the signal turned to yellow, so the train must have crossed over Light Road right now. So yeah, I honestly don't think there's anything coming, unless I gotten stopping by another train on the way home. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. If I don't see any more trains, thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.